Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember this video reflects my personal experience with using Oracle Cloud Storage. Oracle offers a range of cloud storage solutions designed for various needs and budgets. From archival storage for rarely accessed data to high-performance block volumes for demanding applications, Oracle provides a comprehensive suite of services. Their website, oracle.com/cloud/storage, is a great starting point for exploring these options. You'll find detailed information about each storage tier, including performance characteristics, pricing models, and use cases. Whether you need object storage, block storage, or archive storage, Oracle likely has a service that fits. One key advantage of using Oracle Cloud Storage is its integration with other Oracle Cloud services. This tight integration can streamline workflows and simplify management if you're already using Oracle's cloud ecosystem. Furthermore, Oracle emphasizes security and compliance, offering features like data encryption and robust access controls to help protect your valuable data. For those looking for cost-effective storage solutions, Oracle's archive storage options can be particularly appealing. They allow you to store large amounts of data at a lower price point than higher performance tiers, which is ideal for backups, long-term archives, and other infrequently accessed data. However, it's crucial to understand the retrieval times associated with archive storage to ensure it aligns with your access needs. Don't forget to explore the website for detailed pricing information and compare the different storage tiers available. Moreover, Oracle provides tools and APIs for managing your data, allowing you to automate tasks, monitor usage, and optimize storage efficiency. Their website offers documentation and resources to help you get started and make the most of their cloud storage services. By visiting oracle.com/cloud/storage, you can delve deeper into the specifics of each offering and determine which solution is the best fit for your individual requirements. Remember to carefully consider factors such as performance, cost, and integration when making your decision. Oracle's diverse cloud storage portfolio aims to cater to a wide range of use cases, from small businesses to large enterprises.